need some love. Well, there's the old can opener down
Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty girl. Want to talk to Shoo Shoo? Say Shoo Shoo's
Want to get
kind
up
of
here in the
little.
chair?
You a good girl?
Ooh, what does she smell like? Smoke? Here. She smells funny.
Oh,
look at you. Oh, let Donna take a picture. Here.
I'm doing video right now, so. You're a lover girl, aren't you?
Say, I am.
You lover girl.
Look at her paws crossed. See, I have such fine manners.
You do. To have had such a crummy owner,
Yeah.
huh? So you like Shoo Shoo, okay? You're good with other dogs. Look here, babe. Look here. Look at the camera. Let everybody see how pretty you are. Can you sit? Can you sit?